Today's Long Beach property tour brings us into one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in all of Long Beach, Los Altos. And this home is a perfect example as to why Long Beach continues to be one of the cities in high demand. Not only is this home fully remodeled, not only is it in Los Altos, but it also has something that is becoming one of the biggest conversations in Long Beach real estate right now, an ADU. Do me a favor, if you found yourself a little obsessed like me with searching for homes in Long Beach with ADUs or just really interested in ADUs, comment below and let me know what you find most attractive about these homes. Is it the idea of having more space for family, a private office, multi-generational living, extra flexibility, rental income? I'm really curious because ADUs have become one of the biggest conversations in Long Beach real estate, and what's interesting is everybody seems to have a different reason for loving them. Okay, back to this home. Homes like this, listed under $1.5 million in Los Altos, do not last long. In fact, this one went under contract in just days. So today, I want to show you not just the home, but why buyers moved so quickly on it, why Los Altos continues to be one of the strongest neighborhoods in Long Beach, and why this ADU completely changes the way families are living today. I'm Gia Silva, and if you've been searching for Long Beach property tours, moving to Long Beach, or already living in Long Beach, this is exactly the kind of property you want to pay close attention to. Let's take a look. One of the first things that really stands out specifically is this beautiful brick archway at the entry. It's one of those design details that immediately gives the home character before you even step inside. The brickwork adds a really timeless, almost European feel, and it frames the front entry in a way that feels intentional and welcoming. Instead of just a standard front door set into a flat facade, you get this architectural moment. The arch draws your eye in, it creates depth, and it gives the home a sense of craftsmanship that you don't always see in a full remodel. And what I love about it is that it bridges the old and the new. This is a 1950s Los Altos home that has been completely reimagined by the Watson brothers. But details like this brick archway keep that sense of warmth and character alive. You also notice how it softens the exterior. Even though the home has been fully updated with modern finishes, the brick adds texture and contrast so it doesn't feel cold or overly contemporary. The home also has that clean, modern California aesthetic without feeling cold or overdone. Everything feels intentional here. Fresh exterior paint, updated landscaping. It gives you that move-in ready feeling before you even walk through the door. And one thing buyers really care about today when buying a home in Long Beach, California, is whether the home feels turnkey. Most buyers, especially starting families with smaller children, don't want to spend the next year dealing with major renovations, permits, contractors, or unexpected expenses. This property was essentially rebuilt from the studs, which is huge. You've got all the big ticket items taken care of. New roof, new plumbing, new flooring, new doors and windows, central AC and heat, completely redesigned interior spaces. That's a major value add in today's market because a lot of homes in Long Beach still have older systems. And of course, being here in Los Altos gives you a really nice balance. You're close to parks, shopping, restaurants, top-rated schools, and Cal State Long Beach. But the neighborhood itself still feels quiet, established, and residential. The first thing you notice when you enter the home is how open and bright it feels. The layout flows so naturally. And one thing I always talk about in Long Beach homes is functionality. A beautiful home is great, but if it doesn't function well for everyday life, people feel it immediately. This one really nailed that balance. You have an open concept living area, tons of natural light, higher ceilings, clean lines, and every finish feels intentional. And because this home was taken down to the studs and rebuilt, you're getting something that feels almost like new construction. but in an established neighborhood, which is really the best combination. The kitchen is probably going to become the heart of the home. You have custom white oak cabinetry, Taj Mahal quartz counters, designer backsplash details, tons of storage, and this huge island that naturally becomes the gathering space. And honestly, kitchens today aren't just kitchens anymore. People work here, kids do homework here, friends gather here, people entertain here. Especially after the last few years, homes have started becoming everything all at once. And I think this house really reflects how buyers live today. And remember how I mentioned that most buyers looking in this price range in Long Beach are paying attention to how turnkey a home is? People are busy. People don't necessarily want a giant renovation project anymore. The fact that this home has new plumbing, new roof, new HVAC, new windows, new flooring, that matters. This is also the kind of house where you can already picture the lifestyle. Hosting holidays, friends over for dinner, kids running back and forth between the house and backyard. And because it's a single story, it appeals to so many different types of buyers. Young families love it. People downsizing love it. Multi-generational families love it. Single-story homes in Long Beach always have strong demand because they're practical for long-term living. This space feels like a retreat. And one thing Los Altos original homes sometimes struggle with is a primary suite size because many of the homes were built in the 1950s. But this one added a true primary retreat, and it completely changes the feel of the home. You have the fireplace here, tons of natural light, a beautiful ensuite bath, and it feels separated from the rest of the home in a really good way. It feels private, quiet, relaxing, and that's something buyers are willing to pay for today. One thing I like about this home is that every room feels usable. Sometimes you walk into a house and then there's this awkward bedroom that barely fits a bed. This isn't that. Every room here feels functional. Now, we need to talk about what really makes this property stand out here in Los Altos, the detached ADU. And this is actually perfect timing because I recently did an entire video about ADUs in Long Beach and how they're changing the way people live. You know, ADUs have become a huge conversation in suburban neighborhoods. Some people hear ADUs and immediately think rental property, tenants, overcrowding. But what's interesting is that a lot of families are actually using these spaces in completely different ways. And this property is the perfect example of that. This could absolutely be an income-producing unit if someone wanted it to be. But most of the time in a Long Beach neighborhood like Los Altos, that's not the only story anymore. Families are using ADUs for grandparents, for in-laws, for adult children who move back home, for multi-generational living, for home offices, creative studios, guest houses, even private wellness or gym spaces. And honestly, I think we're seeing families return to something that used to be much more common, multiple generations living closer together. Not because they have to, but because they want to. People want support systems, people want family nearby, people want flexibility. And what makes this ADU especially impressive is that it wasn't treated like an afterthought. A lot of ADUs feel secondary. This one is finished beautifully, private, comfortable. And in Los Altos specifically, detached ADUs are still pretty rare. So when buyers saw this property hit the market under $1.5 million with a fully remodeled main house and detached ADU, it makes complete sense why it went under contract so quickly, especially when a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home alone in Los Altos can already cost you anywhere from $1.2 million to $1.4 million, depending on the condition. At that point, paying just a little bit more for an entirely separate detached ADU becomes incredibly compelling. And this backyard also strikes a really nice balance. You have outdoor space to entertain, relax, barbecue, let the kids play while also having an ADU. Sometimes people assume adding an ADU means sacrificing the entire yard, but this is a good example of how it can be done thoughtfully. Let's talk about the Long Beach housing market for a second, because Los Altos continues to be one of the strongest pockets here in Long Beach. And there are a few reasons for that. First, location. You're centrally located while still getting that neighborhood feel. Second, lot sizes and layout. People love these traditional mid-century Long Beach neighborhoods because the homes don't feel stacked on top of each other. And third, inventory. There simply aren't that many fully remodeled homes with ADUs in Los Altos. So when something like this comes up at this price point, buyers move quickly, especially buyers relocating from other parts of Los Angeles or Orange County who compare value. Because when people start shopping around Southern California, they realize pretty quickly that Long Beach offers a lifestyle that's hard to replicate. One thing I always tell people is that Long Beach has personality. Every neighborhood feels different. Naples feels different than Belmont Shore. California Heights feels different than North Long Beach. Los Altos feels different than Lakewood Village. And Los Altos has always had this reputation of being comfortable, established, and family-oriented. You're close enough to the beach lifestyle, but you're not dealing with beach parking every day. You're close to major freeways, close to Orange County, close to the airport, close to Cal State Long Beach. It's just an incredibly convenient place to live. And honestly, when you break this property down, fully remodeled, detached ADU, Los Altos neighborhood, single story, corner lot, turnkey condition, being listed under $1.5 million was incredibly competitive for what this property offered. And clearly, buyers agreed because it went under contract almost immediately. If you've been thinking about living in Long Beach, investing in Long Beach real estate, or just curious about what different neighborhoods here have to offer, make sure to keep following along for Long Beach property tours, neighborhood tours, market updates, local business features, and everything about Long Beach lifestyle. And if you want to learn more about ADUs in Long Beach, definitely check out the video I recently did because it really breaks down how families are using them today, the cost and the process for building ADUs, and why they've become such an important part of housing here in Long Beach. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next Long Beach property tour.